Hi guys, this is Vince Ong, your Mega World agent, and for this video, I'm going to tour you around the one-bedroom and executive one-bedroom unit here at Uptown Arts Residence. So, just to share with you, this is the Uptown Bonifacio Township of Mega World that is 15.4 hectares, and it's complete with malls, offices, grocery, and lots of retails and restaurants. So, if you're looking for your halfway home or your retirement home, this might be a good option for you. So, right now, I'm here standing on the balcony of Unit L. This is a 59 square meter and it's a corner unit. So check natin tong unit na to. So to start off, this is the bedroom area of Unit L, and maganda dito, you have the view of BGC from your window. So kita natin si Grand Hyatt, we can see Uptown Mall, and including yung roof ng Uptown Parade with sunflowers. So this size of the bedroom can fit a queen size bed, and this modular closet is included upon turnover. So maganda dito, we have good amount of space and mirrors kasama na rin. So this unit also comes with split type inverter aircon from Daikin. And beside your bedroom is the toilet and bath. So dito kasama na lahat, it's complete with sanitary fittings by Villeroy & Boch. Meron na tayong rain shower, we have an exhaust, we have this partial glass enclosure, water closet with bidet, lavatory with built-in cabinets. Kasama na rin yung mirror natin. So yung lights natin sa toilet, it's already motion sensor. And my favorite part on this unit is this living area. Kahit irregular yung shape ng Unit L, you can still make a way to maximize this space on this part. So you can put your sofa on this side, your television on this part, and a bench over here para kang may bay window with the views of BGC. So kita natin si Grand Hyatt and the afternoon sun or sunset. Kita rin natin si Makati on this end. So this space specifically also includes one split type inverter aircon aside dun sa bedroom natin. And on this part, you can fit your 4-seater dining area, and you also have an access to the balcony. Ang view naman natin dito is the Makati skyline and the sunset. Etong part na to, you can maximize or utilize this space by putting a console or like shelves, or even like a small pantry where you can put your stuff on this part. And last but not the least, the enclosed kitchen. So maganda dito, what you are seeing on this kitchen is already included. We have a quartz countertop, meron na rin tayong 2-zone induction cooktop, range hood, and a retro fridge from Goren Hay. Yan. Yung cabinets natin, these are all soft close from Hacker. So iba-iba yung style niya, meron tayong drawers, meron din tayong ganitong type ng cabinet. Yan. And for the lights, it's already smart light switches. Meaning you can control your lights through your mobile phone. And then meron tayong video intercom which is interconnected to the lobby. So if meron tayong guests or visitors, we would be able to see them without them seeing us. And in all Mega World units, naka-digital lock set na tayo. So you can access your main door through fingerprint, PIN, keycard, or a mechanical key. Right now, we're here on the executive one-bedroom unit, letter G, of Uptown Arts Residence. So the size of this unit is 66 square meters. So same thing, yung main door natin has digital lock set. We have smart light switches and video intercom on this part. So dito sa part na to, you can put your shoe closet or console area, and you will be having an enclosed kitchen on this part. So makikita nyo dito, andito yung retro fridge natin, that's already included. Our countertop, sink with retractable nozzle from Frankie. Meron tayong backsplash tiles, spin lights, and lots of modular cabinets for the kitchen. Lahat yan soft close, and it's from Hacker, which is a German brand. At dito naman sa part na to, yung cooktop and range hood natin. So one thing I like about this unit, which is the executive one-bedroom, is the maid's room. Meron kang sariling extra room wherein you can convert this into your pantry, storage room, or like your utility if wala kayong panggagamitan nito. And meron din itong sariling toilet and bath. Yan. On this part, pwede ka maglagay din ng additional console sa area na to kasi malawak yung space niya. And this door leads us to the common toilet and bath. So, katulad nung sa Unit L, what you see in this one, in this video is what you'll be getting. Complete sanitary fittings from Vilroy and Bock. So, sa part na to, dito yung rain shower natin. Yan. You have the water closet, the bidet, lavatory, and mirror. Kasama na rin yung cabinets natin. And ito naman yung bedroom area natin for the Unit G. So this is also a corner unit. So you have floor-to-ceiling windows on that side and on this side. So kasama dito would be the modular closet with mirror panels, just like kung ano yung deliverables natin sa Unit L, and one split type inverter aircon. So on this part, pwede ka maglagay ng full double or queen size bed. And last but not the least, the living and dining area. So this is one of my favorite part sa Unit G na to kasi ang lawak niya. It's very, very spacious and kaya talaga nating mag-accommodate ng visitors or guests for this unit. So dito, you can fit your 4 to 5 seater dining area, and sa part naman na to, you can put an L-shaped couch or sofa, tapos dito yung television natin. Para at least you are also looking outside with an obstructed view of the morning sun and Antipolo Mountains. And maganda dito sa living area natin, it comes with a balcony access. And that's it for this video. Which one bedroom layout do you prefer more? Yung corner na one bedroom or yung executive one bedroom with extra room? So, for Uptown Arts residents, we are currently offering rent-to-own terms as low as 10% down payment to process your move-in. And we have a promo of 36 months to pay at 0% interest. So if you're looking for something ready inside BGC, Uptown Arts might be the best project for you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.